As a physician, I know firsthand that this bill, H.R. 5, will force medical providers to surrender sound medical judgment and their sincerely held convictions to politically fashionable dogmas. According to the radical activists who seek to enshrine gender identity into federal civil rights law, the only appropriate treatment for a child struggling with gender dysphoria is gender reassignment. That's it. Such procedures often lead to irreversible damage, especially in adolescence. But under the Equality Act, medical providers who object to performing these procedures will face crushing legal liability if they refuse to comply. Every medical facility receiving any federal money will be given an ultimatum: comply or shut down. If H.R. 5 becomes law, a doctor who refuses to perform a mastectomy or a hysterectomy on an otherwise healthy teenage girl seeking gender reassignment surgery will be held liable for violating the federal law. H.R. 5 even goes so far as to exempt itself from long-standing bipartisan federal religious liberty protections both Congress and the Supreme Court have consistently upheld. A Catholic hospital, following the commands of Scripture to serve the frail and the poor, would be forced to violate their very faith to comply and perform abortions or face financial ruin. As a physician, I took a sacred oath to do no harm and to preserve the health of those in my care. If this bill becomes law, many doctors will be forced to go against both their conscience and their medical judgment. Make no mistake, this is a death sentence for medicine and for the sacred rights of conscience. Biology is not bigotry, and medicine is not discrimination. All Americans who do not wish to see medicine sacrificed to the politically correct orthodoxy should stand up and oppose this bill. Thank you, and I yield.